Hi, good morning, or should I say good afternoon? Because I just woke up and I think I must take this thought that I have before it goes into the monkey mind processing again. Now, richness in wisdom. Everybody likes to think that they are wise. And I believe they are. They are wise in their own way, in their own culture, in their own thoughts. But many times their wisdom is being boxed due to the education element, and due to comments, due to ego, due to uncertainty. So what actually makes a person wiser? That is a very interesting thing to look into. For me, I think that is the part where you need to take immediate decisions. Then your wisdom come in before your logic and anything else that is influencing you came in. Why I choose to talk about wisdom and why I choose to talk about it now is because from the election GE15 of Malaysia, I wake up with a sense of gratefulness and gratitude that Malaysians have become so wise. We might not make the right decision, but we didn't make any wrong decisions. We just make the decisions that we need something or someone to really appreciate and respect the words we have in hand. This is the only time where everyone is equal. Winning and losing is just on the same line of a different end. It's like Jesse Lee says, it's of the same energy. As we can accept losing, we will accept winning. And in this situation, I pray, and like all Malaysians, we pray that we will have a government who understand and respect the one vote that we cast for them. So, who is wiser? Let's see. Let's see whether Malaysians really get what we want. Thank you all, and be the best that you can be. Thank you, Malaysian. Thank you even to me for being Malaysian. And for those who have not visited Malaysia, please, you must come to Malaysia. We have beautiful people. We have a lot of beautiful things, and it is up to you to see it with the beautiful eyes. Thank you. Good luck.